Let's look at a chili. No, not the country, the pepper. Ever wondered why these tiny things became the world's favorite spice?
Humans have been eating chilies for thousands of years. They started in Central and South America, long before the rest of the world even knew they existed. Then the 1490s happened. Christopher Columbus went looking for black pepper, but found something very different. He called it pepper just because it was spicy, and the name stuck, even though it had nothing to do with real pepper. This mistake changed everything. Chilies spread across the world, faster, cheaper, and easier to grow than black pepper.
But here's the twist. Chilies weren't meant for us. The chemical capsaicin burns mammals, but birds don't feel anything.
Birds eat them, fly away, and spread the seeds. Chilies evolved for birds, not humans. Today, we've made them insanely hot, from 0-inch bell peppers to millions on the Scoville scale. So yeah, they were meant for birds. But somehow, we decided to enjoy the pain.